Hello world, Joshua here. I've noticed a slight problem, not really a big deal, but it's still worth mentioning, with the tool changer kinematic coupling unit as a whole. If I take my finger over here, bring it over to the top of this tool over here, and push down, boom, you'll notice a lot of flex. Now, for a 3D printer, I think this is going to be negligible, but for something like a milling machine, this would completely make this unusable. This is probably just a function of the fact that I can't get lots and lots of rigidity out of 3D printed parts, but at the same time, my guess is that I can probably beef up some of these interfaces here, or some of these 3D printed parts here, and get a little bit more stiffness. But it's just an interesting thing to note that, hey, I actually can't get tons and tons of rigidity out of 3D printed parts. Now the Core XY, the rest of the actual XY platform that this is moving around on, is pretty rigid, but at some point what I'm probably going to have to do, or what I should do, is take a little dial indicator and push it around and see how much it deflects. But we'll see. But yeah, this, at least the crossbar is fairly rigid because it's 4mm carbon fiber and then a high wind linear rail, so I'm not really expecting too much flex there. Then again, I should measure it, so I will do that at some point in the future, and we'll see how this goes. But yeah, I figured I would mention this problem just as a heads up, because this is why this platform could not generalize to a mill, because there's just too much force. It's too much of a spring. It's not rigid enough. Okay, I'll catch you all in the future. If you notice something that I did not, let me know in the comments, and I'm happy to chime in and respond. Thanks again, and cheers.